Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when printer is not working after installing this update, that is KB5055523. So to fix it, you can first of all you can perform system restore. So type in system restore in Windows search box and then click on create a restore point and then click on system restore over here. And over here select the option which says choose a different restore point and then click on next. Now over here you have to select the date and time on which date the printer was working fine. So suppose after installing this update today, you started facing printer issue, but if the printer was working fine yesterday or maybe day before yesterday, so you have to select the restore point when printer was working fine. This is just an example, and then you can click on next and then you can click on finish. Once you click on finish, this process will take some time. So after the system restore, you can log into the computer and then check your printer, but still not working, then please follow the steps. That is, you have to still not working, then in that case you can uninstall this update from your Windows 11 computer. Now for this, first of all open Windows settings and then go to Windows Update and then go to update history. Scroll down at the bottom, here you can see uninstall update, click on it. Now over here you will see your update, that is KB5055523. you will see uninstall option, so hit uninstall and then again click on uninstall. Now this process will take some time. So here you can see uninstall is complete. Here you can see uninstalled, restart is required. So you have to restart your computer after this. Make sure that you restart, and after the system restart, again go to Windows Update and then pause the update. You can pause the update for maybe 1 week, 2 weeks. So you can pause the update, because if you don't pause the update, it will install that update automatically. So you can just pause the update, and once you pause the update, it will not install it. Now in future, whenever you want to install updates, you can always click on resume updates and you can install future updates. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to get the printer working on your Windows 11 computer. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.